yung sa DOTR?
DOTR, parang nasa, hindi ko alam kung nasa 9B yata halos lahat. Kasi ano to yung malaki ito, kasi ito yung mga railway projects, yung government participation, no? So kasi yung loan proceeds naman, assured naman daw yan na priority funding kahit nasaan program. So we made sure that the GOP portion, para hindi mawala yung delays, para hindi magkaroon ng delays, yung right of way acquisition, utilities, relocation, mga ISF at iba pa, basta yung government participation, we made sure that it will be placed in the program funds.
Yung AKAP po?
Sa ngayon, yung AKAP, sabi namin kasi AIX and AKAP dapat yung Sense ng Senate, mag-isa na lang, kasi isa lang naman ang purpose. So, depende pa rin naman sa BICAM yan. I think tsaka yung AKAP kasi was entirely sa House yan But sabi natin, dapat isa lang. Dapat may say din naman ang Senate. So, dapat mag-isa na lang.